Nameplate and seal number of the whole machine. Frame. Front counterweight. Loading boom. Loading boom cylinder. Boom safety support. Grab bucket. Bucket dump cylinder. Clamping cylinder. Engine hood. Engine. Engine nameplate. Windshield washer reservoir. Brake oil cup. Radiator. Exhaust pipe. Air pre-filter. Hydraulic oil tank. Hydraulic oil inlet filter. Battery box. Main power switch. Front drive axle. Front axle nameplate. Steering cylinder. Rear drive axle. Rear axle nameplate. Outrigger. Outrigger cylinder. Outrigger sensor. Bidirectional hydraulic lock. Sliding shelf. Locking cylinder. Digging boom. Digging boom cylinder. Digging rod. Arm cylinder. Telescopic arm. Telescopic arm cylinder. Digging bucket. Bucket cylinder. Bucket linkage. Reserved pipeline for optional working device. Rotary structure. Digging boom swing cylinder. Digging boom locking mechanism. Fuel tank. Fuel heating system. Hydraulic pump. Torque converter and transmission. Transmission nameplate. Front drive shaft. Rear drive shaft. Steering priority valve. Loading control valve. Digging control valve. Hydraulic return filter. Cabin. Seat. Loading operating lever. Clutch cutoff switch. Rear axle differential lock switch. Grab bucket operating lever. Parking brake handle. Hand throttle control lever. Hydraulic outrigger alarm. Boom, swing operating handle. Telescopic arm extend button. Horn button. Arm, bucket operating handle. Telescopic arm retract button. Lateral excavation device unlock switch. Left outrigger oil cylinder operating handle. Right outrigger oil cylinder operating handle. Digging boom locking mechanism operating lever. Instrument panel. Air conditioner control switch. Rear wiper switch. Instrument light switch. Rear working light switch. Rear wiper spray switch. Cabin top warning light switch. Transmission shift lever. Clutch cutoff switch. Accelerator pedal. Service brake pedal. Fuel heating switch. Hydraulic system switch. Travel direction selection handle. Combination switch, including front working light, front wiper spray, steering indicator. Horn button. Front working light switch. Hazard light switch. Drive mode selector switch.